Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Remedial Lessons. Today, we are having Remedial Lesson 1 and we are going to talk about Introduction to Biology. First of all, let us define the term biology. Define biology. We can say biology is the study of life, or we can say biology is the study of living things. Now let's list the branches of biology. List the branches of biology. We have zoology, which is the study of animals. We have botany, the study of plants. Microbiology, the study of microorganisms. There are very many other branches of biology, but we shall only list those three because of time. You can go and read more about the different branches of biology. We want now to explain the importance of biology. Explain the importance of biology. 1. Biology helps us to solve environmental problems. Second, it helps us to learn scientific skills. And also, it helps as a starting point for entry into other professions or career. Biology, in addition to the other ones, it helps us to apply the knowledge to everyday life situation. It also helps us in the classification of organisms into their right groups. It helps us to understand the living organisms. State the characteristics of living organisms. 1. Feeding or nutrition. The second is growth and development. The third one is respiration, that is to produce energy. The fourth is sensitivity, irritation, or response. We have excretion, and that is getting rid of metabolic waste materials. We have movement, stroke locomotion, and we have reproduction. Those are the characteristics of living organisms. Let's state the main differences between plants and animals. Animals have got specialized excretory organs, whereas the plants, there are no specialized excretory organs. In animals, the response to stimulus is quick, whereas in plants, the response is slow. In animal, all body parts grow equally, intercalary, whereas in plants, growth takes place at the shoot tip and root tip only. In animal, they can move around to look for food, whereas in plants, they are always stationary and stay in one place. Animals are heterotrophic, meaning that they feed on already manufactured foods. Plants, they are autotrophic. That means that they feed on their own food which they make by photosynthesis. Animals, their cells have no cell walls, whereas in plants, the cells are made up of cell wall, which is made up of cellulose. Animals, they do not have chlorophyll. Meanwhile, plants contain chlorophyll. In animals, they take care of their young ones, whereas the plants do not take care of their young ones. Hello, thank you very much for participating in Lesson 1, Introduction to Biology. Let's meet again in Remedial Lesson 2, where we shall talk about the underlies. Please do not forget to press that subscription button. Thank you. Bye-bye.